Hi guys, I'm in the park and I'm taking Milo and Macy, nicely, and it's like, so it's sunny and everything, but here's he go, come on Macy. Yeah, Macy's quite old, she doesn't really go on many walks, but she wanted to come today, and there's still some snow in the park, it's like really slippery. Whee! This is funny. You're funny to watch running on the ice. Go Milo, go! It's like really slippery. Come on! Good girl Macy, is that nice? Make a nice change. Oh, over here it's quite soft. Whee! Then I'm going to go back for a quick breakfast. So I got both their leads. See, it's sunny, but there's still like snow. Sorry, I'm really weird. And I'm not going until I've had a meeting with school, so that's a good thing. I hope that we don't have a meeting for another few weeks. And I'm having a sleepover on Saturday with Paige, and she'll be put on YouTube. Where's the dogs? Oh, there you are. Macy, stay in the park. Good go. And yeah, it's a good thing because I can take Mia to the park, because I know there's not going to be anyone from any schools. What are you doing, darling? Is that nice, Mace? Having a nice walkie? What happened, Macy? What did he do? Milo, nicely. Macy, what's wrong? What did he do? Okay, so I'm going to go now, guys, and put them on their leads and go. So, hope everyone has a nice day. Look forward to some more videos to come. Bye, thanks. Oh, she's running. Bye, thanks for watching.